My name is Lindiwe Zulu. I am the Minister of Social Development in the Republic of South Africa. I am here in KwaZulu-Natal at Umfolozi municipality, particularly in Nhlabane. Today we are closing the Child Protection Week, which is a week where the Department of Social Development goes out to have conversations about the state of children in South Africa. The Department of Social Development, working together with our other government departments' role is to make sure that we create a conducive environment for children, be it issues of health, be it issues of transport, be it issues of education, everything that is of major concern to creating a conducive environment for children.
Baba from Save the Children. Save the Children this week basically is a continuation of what started more than 25 years ago. Uguti sivikele abantwana. We basically as Save the Children feel strongly Uguti. We need to do more education of parents, because what's important for a child to be protected is the environment that they are in. It should be adults that are responsible. It should be the schooling environment that is safe. It should be the community policing and the adults that are within communities that understand the rights of children, that understand what is important to be done for us to be able to protect children.
We are gathered here due to the fact that we have experienced some very high teenage pregnancy, especially during the lockdown of COVID-19. So that's why we have identified, the minister have identified this place, and we highly appreciate that. It is one of the things which is going to ensure that this assist KwaZulu-Natal as a province. As of now, we are in Child Protection Week, and we are here to close the Child Protection Week. But the Child Protection Week, and it should go not as far as the 5th of June, but it goes beyond.